Why is it important to have the best equipment? The best equipment that you can get allows you to create the best possible end result. When you have a machine that can build to the exact specifications that you designed the piece, then the end result is going to be something priceless. My name is Isaac Cohen. I'm president of Isaac's Fine Jewelry, Boca Raton, Florida, and we specialize in the custom design of fine jewelry, bridal, and anything you can think of. Professional results require professional equipment. cDLM has truly improved my products in every sense. Best decision I ever made. It allows me to print to the full of my potential. There's entry-level machines that claim to have 25 micron resolution. What makes a bigger difference is the accuracy and precision of the print. I'm using EasyCast 2.0. It is amazing material. The way it casts is as if it were 100% wax. Where the castings come out this clean, that's less time on the bench. You know, in our business, time is money. It's easy cleanup. There's no rushing you have to do like the other machines. You just take it out of the machine, dip it in alcohol, blow on it, done. What I love about the EnvisionTEC cDLM is that it allows you to print fast, blazing fast. So fast that now I'm spoiled. You could actually design a piece, build it while your customer is in your store, have them go to lunch, come back after lunch, and voila, you have a model ready for that. When I build on the cDLM, I am just blown away by how fine the piece came out. There's just enough metal there that it needs to be there, nothing more. If you are serious about your products, then you want a machine that can capture the full capability of your imagination. That's what EnvisionTEC cDLM technology gives you.